Guys, we're going to be working on bases and exponents. If you remember, the base is at the bottom. Anytime you build something, you start with the base and you work your way up. With a house, it's a foundation. It could be concrete, it could be block, whatever, but the base is on the bottom and they both begin with a B. That's the easiest way I can remember that. Exponents, we've always just called them floating numbers. They're up there at the top. They're just kind of floating around in space. So based on that, there's two different forms that we're going to learn about. Expanded. Expanded means it gets bigger. So if I took this problem, this sample problem as an example, 2 to the 6 in expanded form would be 2 6 times. 2 times 2 times 2. Keep going until I'm out of breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be it in expanded form. If I wanted to do it in exponential form, that's already done for us this way. So now, you've got 9 practice problems. I'm going to do 4 of them with you. So if I do 4 of them with you and you've got those samples and examples, you ought to be able to finish the other ones on your own, and I really do expect you to do so. So let's just look at, well, let's start with the first one. The first one, number 1 on your sheet, is 2 to the 3rd, and it wants it in expanded form. I'm going to expand it on out. I'm going to put 2 3 times. So that's 2 times 2 times 2. Now, another thing, the big floaty dot means to multiply. When you were younger, it would be written like this, 2 times 2 times 2, and that's still okay, but by the time we get middle school and older, we're starting to use the big floaty dot in place of that. So expanded, it's getting bigger. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 is 10 to the 7th. I'm going to do that in expanded form. It's going to expand out. So how many 10s am I going to have? 7. So that's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. I'm out of breath. Times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Expanded form. All right, so I did a couple of those. Let's do a couple of the other examples. Let's look at number 6. Number 6 is already in expanded form, and I want to take it down to exponential. That's going to make it smaller, easier to work with. So number 6, the way it is right now, is 7 times 7 times 7. 7 is our base. It's going to stay the same. How many 7s do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So it's 7 to the 3rd. 7's our base. 3's our exponent, our little bitty floating number up there at the top. All right, let's do one more. I'll tell you what, let's just do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we've got 3 times 3. There's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's my base? 3. How many of them do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 3 to the 6. So anyway, that's it.